guys, welcome. It's Jen with Let's Get Chalking with Jen. We're going to do some late night chalking with those fun pumpkin blocks that I showed you earlier. So, hello, welcome. I'm excited to be here tonight. So, like I said, we're going to be doing some pumpkin blocks for you. As you come in, please make sure you say hello. If you like what you see, in the bottom left-hand corner of your mobile devices is a share button. The greatest compliment you could give me is a share, and I greatly appreciate that. So, this is Chalk Couture, and again, I always like to welcome all of my new fans that have come over and liked my page. And for those of you who don't know, let me tell you a little bit about Chalk Couture. We are a revolutionary concept in DIY home decor and crafting that you're not going to find anywhere else. Hey Janet, welcome. We offer a line of silkscreen reusable transfers. We have Chalkology chalk paste. We do have our couture inks, and then we also offer several different services through our company. Oh, awesome, from Cape Cod, I love it. But remember, you can use our products on wood, windows, dry erase boards, canvases, pillows, and ceramics, and you guys, the list could go on and on. But the one great thing that I love to offer is our innovative ground floor opportunity for a home business for just $99. And my website is there for you to check out. So if you have any questions, please let me know during this presentation or afterwards. You can comment info or me below, and I'll answer those for you. So let's get this started and what you want to see, which is our pumpkin block. So I'm putting myself in the corner. All right, so I actually made these pumpkin blocks right here. They are just made of I don't know, what are these called? Like 2x4s or whatever that my husband had in the garage. What I did is I stained them with a dark walnut stain. I applied white acrylic paint over top. I let it dry, and then I sanded this down, just basic sandpaper. And then these are just like the tubing that you can buy from Michael's. My husband cut them for me. I stained them. This is the dark walnut stain, and then I glued it to the top. So I just made myself 4 little cute pumpkins, right? Aren't they cute? You love them? Now, this is going to be a basic, simple design for you. What I'm going to be using, and I do apologize, this one is actually currently unavailable. It should be back in stock very soon. This is our buffalo plaid transfer that I'm going to be using. I also have our polka dot. I'm going to use something a little different, only just because I don't want to open this one up yet because I have something else planned for this. So I'm going to use one of our older transfers, but it has polka dots as well. So kind of just want you to see it just has polka dots on it. All right. And this is an old one. This is unavailable. And again, so is this one. And I apologize for using transfers that you currently can't get. But I just kind of want to show you the concept because we do have a herringbone. We have the buffalo plaid and the polka dots available through Chalk Couture right on my website. All right, so again, as you come in, just make sure that you are saying hello and ask any questions that you have while we're going. All right, so like I had mentioned to you, all of our transfers are silk screen reusable transfers. And today I'm going to be using our Chalkology chalk paste. So I'm going to be using the plum, the navy, and the garden herb, because I'm going to kind of make these a fallish pattern on all of my pumpkins. And I got the inspiration actually from my upline. She actually has been doing lives where she did like these wooden leaves and pumpkins that she had bought from Target. But I decided I wanted to make my own. So what I like to do is all of our transfers are reusable. You usually, oh, I can't talk tonight. Are reusable. You usually can get anywhere from 8 to 15 uses out of one transfer. So you always want to make sure you write on the back of the carrier sheet, because this is the carrier sheet, and then you'll remove the transfer. And because this is so large and I'm not cutting it, I'm only going to peel this back a tiny little bit, you guys, because I'm going to apply this on my large block. So I'm just going to place it. And let me move these two out of the way just so I can see. So since I'm not going to use the whole thing, I don't want to take the whole cover off. So So I'm just going to use the corner, and then I'll be able to clean it up with water and a Clorox wipe later. So I think I'm just going to go like right about here to do my pumpkin. Now when you do this, one side of our transfer has the adhesive, as you can see here. That's obviously going to go on your surface. You want to smooth it out so that there are no air bubbles in your silkscreen area. Okay, so this is all silkscreen. So I'm just going to smooth that out. And then I'm going to get my Chalkology chalk paste. Now all of our chalk paste is water soluble and semi-permanent. So what that means is it goes on, I think, oh no, it's not new. It goes on as a liquid and then it dries as a solid. So when you get your chalk paste, you just want to make sure that you stir it up to get all those pigments blended together. And you want it to be like a sour, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm having a rough night talking. That matches my shirt. A yogurt or sour cream consistency. We went to a car dealer tonight because we have to get another car. And it was just not the greatest experience, you guys. So I apologize. I'm a little flustered this evening over buying a car. All right, so I kind of like the consistency of this one. I'm pretty good with that. So now I'm just going to get my squeegee. And again, these are all available right on my website. And by the way, my website is chalkinwithjen.com. I just want to move this up so you can see. I'm going to dip my squeegee right in there. And then I'm just going to pull it across this silkscreen area. I just kind of thought this would be cute for fall. And like I said, a few other designers have been doing something very similar to this. And they turn out just so cute. And if you hear the saw in the garage, my husband is making me some chalkboards. So I'm really excited about that. Just scraping this across. And when you do this, you do want to scrape it. So I don't know if you can hear that. Hey Ashley, how are you? I'm late night chalking. We went to look at a car tonight. It didn't go well. Really sad. Very flustered. All right, scraping this off so that there's no excess. This is a beautiful color, you guys, beautiful. I'm gonna have to do more with that for fall. So are you ready for our peel and reveal? Oh, it's so cool. Oh, I stuck my finger in it. Oh, I'm gonna remove my transfer. And then I'm gonna stick this. Oh, it's stuck on my other pumpkin. I'm going to stick this in water off to the side so that I can clean it up later and reuse it. All right, so just sticking that off to the side. Well, let me get that out of your view. There we go. All right, done. So what do you think of the pumpkin? Isn't it cute? I love that color. Look at that. That's a gorgeous color. Love that. All right, sticking that one off to the side. Let's get our next one. Now, like I said, and I apologize, these next couple transfers that I do have, these are old transfers. These were from last year, and they're currently not available, but the one that I wanted to use is going to be here tomorrow, and I am actually leaving tomorrow, so I'm not going to be able to do a live for you until over the weekend. So I'm just using an old transfer just to show you how this process works and our products work. So just removing the transfer from the carrier sheet, placing this off to the side. I don't know if I want to go, no, I'll just go like this. Putting it right on my silk screen, or my design, smoothing out my silk screen area. I don't want any air bubbles in that silk screen. And for this one, I'm going to use my garden herb chalk paste. So can you guys, I don't know if you can see this. So when you get your chalk paste, so like if you would buy this right from my website, I don't think you can see it, but some of the pigment from sitting has come through and it's red. So you just want to stir that up, to make sure you're blending all those pigments together. They're all natural pigments, so that you get the desired color it's supposed to be. And again, this is our garden herb, and it's a beautiful fall color. I'm really, really excited about this. So just stirring that up. Yogurt or sour cream consistency. And you guys, since I'm applying this on wood, what I like to do with my wood, and I know I've talked about it, is I seal my wood with a Krylon sealer, or I'm sorry, a Minwax finishing paste. This is what I use when I'm using wood. Reason being, it cares for my transfers a little bit better, and it also, most of the time, if I want to change out my designs on wood, if I've used this, I'm able to do that. So just a quick little tip there. All right. So I've got that. Let me get another squeegee. I'm going to dip it in my chalk paste. Oh, I'm going to pull it across this silk screen area. And again, you want to scrape it. This is not painting. You want to scrape this across that area because you want to make sure that you're getting your chalk paste through that silkscreen. And now that you know it's silkscreen, because I've only said it about 4 or 5 times, right? Oh, Jennifer, isn't this awesome? I tell you what, I saw Jessica's live and I was like, oh my gosh, I got to do that. So I made my own pumpkins just out of some wood that we had in the garage. And I'm so excited. It's just I'm using older transfers. So I apologize, but we do have, this would be so beautiful with that herringbone or herringbone transfer, but mine won't be here till tomorrow and I'm leaving. So, oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. Look how cute that is. Am I the only one loving this so far? Look at those colors. Happy fall, y'all. Okay, sorry. I get excited. I get overly excited sometimes with Chalk Couture. All right, let me put that off to the side. Make sure you're giving me some hearts. Make sure you're giving me some thumbs up. I love it. And then again, in the bottom left-hand corner of your mobile devices, you guys, is that share button. If you love this, like I said, the best compliment you could give me is a share, and I greatly appreciate that. And look, I can't get my transfer off of my backing. We'll get it. We will get it. So, what's going on? I know, right? I wish they would come back with these, but you never know. You never know. We are having, of course, we are on September 17th, you guys, they are going to be releasing 25 new transfers for the upcoming holiday season, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But there we go. I got it. I just had to get the little corner. So I'm real excited to see what they're going to be bringing out. But you never know. You can always, always make sure that you send an email if there's something you would like to see, Jennifer, to the company, because they do love hearing suggestions from us. So just smoothing this one out. Say hi, honey. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. There he is. The best man ever. He's so cute. Okay, sorry. All right. So just stirring up my chalk paste. Now, see, this one is a little thicker. I don't know if you can see that. So anytime you get chalk paste that is thick like that, you just want to add a little bit of water. And I don't know where my little spray bottle went to. I just had it. Oh, there it is. It's in my little baggie. Tomorrow, I am leaving to go back to Pittsburgh to visit family. And I have 2 sippin' chalks back there. So I'm super excited that I get to share Chalk Couture with a bunch of great friends back in PA. So there we go. Much, much better. So see, it's a nice stirring consistency. Perfect, perfect. So like I mentioned earlier when I was talking a little bit about Chalk Couture, you guys, if you're interested in learning more about this as a business, there are several different ways you can run this. You can do the sip and chalks or make and takes like I do locally in your area. If you are just that crafty person or you're a craft blogger and you like to create things, you absolutely can do that. You do not have to do home shows or, you know, get-togethers. I just love the opportunity that gives you, but you can just do that. If you are a social media group guru, like you like to do Facebook Lives, you have your own blog, you can absolutely have a business that way. So there's a lot of different ways you can run a Chalk Couture business. And if you would love to learn more about that, please let me know. Hey, Melissa, welcome. Oh gosh, you guys. Oh, it's so cute. Look how cute that is. Ah, I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm sorry. This is really exciting. So like I said, I am using plum, what is this? Garden herb, and then navy. It's rough night to make my cute little pumpkins. What do you guys think? Do you love them? Isn't that going to be cute for fall? All right, you guys. So like I said, if you have any questions about Chalk Couture, please let me know. Make sure if you're watching the replay, you give me that hashtag replay. And if you want to know more about the business opportunity or about Chalk Couture, just comment info or me below. You're welcome to private message me as well. But you guys, I hope you have a great evening, and thanks for taking the time to watch me. And I will be chalking with you soon. Stay tuned for some great pictures of some upcoming sip and chalks. And happy chalking. All right, you guys, have a good night.